Hello student, I am Satish Chai to teach you physics, some important formula, class 12, chapter number 4, part number 5. I have tell you 21 formulas in before 4 videos. Now I am telling to you formula number 22. Formula number 22 is magnetic dipole moment of current loop. ये मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल जैसे सपोज करो कि कोई लूप है, तो उस लूप की वजह से एक मैग्नेट बनता है, उसमें नॉर्थ और साउथ बनते हैं, या एक सोलोनॉइड है, या आपकी एक कॉइल है। कॉइल में सोलोनॉइड में क्या बनता है? मैग्नेट, जिसमें नॉर्थ और साउथ बनते हैं। उसकी वजह से क्या होगा? ड्यू टू दिस रीजन, तो मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल formula number 22, suppose this is a solenoid and here number of turn is n and current flow is I and area of the loop, this is A, then the magnetic dipole M equal to NIA. A is the number of the loop in coil or solenoid, and I is the flow of the current. A is the area of the loop. Then magnetic dipole of the current loop M equal to NIA. Now I am telling to you formula number 23. The magnetic dipole M associated with revolving electron. We know very well atom. Suppose this is a atom and it is the nucleus and it is the outer orbit of the atom. Where electron small e is move. This is the nucleus. This is the nucleus, and here is the proton and neutron, and out of orbit are electron are moving with velocity v. Then due to this magnetic dipole M equal to E VR upon 2, where E is the charge of the electron and V is the velocity of the electron in this orbit. R is the radius. We know very well E equal to 1.6 into 10 की power minus 19 coulomb, and V is the velocity of the electron, which are moving across in this orbit, and this is the nucleus. Now I am telling to you formula number 24. Formula number 24. Formula number 24. Magnetic field intensity due to a bar magnet dipole. Suppose this is a bar magnet. This is a bar magnet. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. And due to this magnet, we find the magnetic field. In this axis. This is axis is end axis. This is the end on direction. Here we find the magnetic field. Suppose the distance from the midpoint of the magnet is r, then the magnetic field here B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi 2m upon r cube. Here m is the magnetic dipole of the magnet. M is the magnetic dipole of the magnet. M equal to magnetic dipole. Magnetic dipole. And r is the distance from the center of the end point where we find the magnetic field. Now I am telling to you formula number 24, B part. B part, in the broad side of the magnet, suppose this is the magnet, this is the magnet, this is the north pole and this is the south pole, and this is the broad side where we find the magnetic field. B equal to question mark, and r is the distance from this, from midpoint of the magnet. Then here magnetic field B equal to mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube. M upon r cube, where m is the magnetic dipole of the magnet and the direction of the magnetic field. In this way, north to south, direction of the magnetic field is in this direction, north to south. The direction of the magnetic field is parallel to magnetic axis and north to south. Now I am telling to you torque on magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Suppose formula number, this is the 25 torque. Suppose this is the magnetic field here, and a magnet is put this in this, then angle theta is, then the torque equal to m cross vector B. This is the vector form, and equal to mb sin theta. I tell you, I have tell 25 formula of this chapter, and tomorrow I tell you next chapter start. Thank you.